Hi folks, my name is Aakash and today in this video we'll be going to talk about we will be understanding like not just Pandas library, right? So you will be understanding how to use a Pandas for that particular case study, that is salary dataset, right? So you will understand very clear understanding about it. So we'll discuss that in this video actually, right? So you will be not learning what is a pandas and what are the functionalities into it, right? You will be applying this pandas library for the particular case study, right? So this was a basically intro about it, so I want to discuss about it right now. Okay, so we'll discuss about like one of the particular case, one particular introduction to salary data set. So I will just discuss the problem statement around it and how we will be going to take forward this problem statement about it. Okay, 4 videos you will be getting about this pandas case study, so you will be understanding total understanding of pandas case study. But it is not a no, in this video we will be not talking about all about the we will be not talking about all related to the functionalities of the pandas library. All right, so we'll be going to discuss that. So what's pandas library is going to give us for us actually, right? So we'll be going to discuss that in this video. So if you as you see in this particular sub salary data set, so it's discussing that specifically this data set is talking about like uh, San Francisco city employee salary data. Okay, so you can create a data set for your particular personal salary as well, right? So for around for particular time period as well, okay, as a whole thing altogether. So I will just demonstrating you pandas library how you can do that basically. One way to understand how the city government works is by looking at it who it is employs and how the employees are compensated. Let's suppose you are in this dataset what you are talking about it, you will understand about how the employee is getting salary and how much hikes they are getting over a period of time. Okay, so like what you will get exploring the ideas basically from this data set, you will get an exploration idea that what is the salaries changes over a period of time and different groups of people. You will understand how are the base pay, what is overtime pay, it is allocated to the particular employee and different groups, right? Is there any evidence of the pay discrimination basis on the gender in their data set? Okay, how is the budget allocated based on different groups and responsibility, right? So this is all about like salary data set. Like basically we can say that it is related to employees itself, like set of employees which has been hired as some suitable role. So you will get a complete understanding about it. So we'll discuss in the next video about this.